Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie. Here's quick tip number 9 in a new series of 10 tips to help you grow in your relationship. Most couples struggle with communication and conflict resolution. Without realizing it, they're each using their own gender framework to interpret one another's words and actions. Consequently, misunderstandings multiply over time. So, quick tip number 9 is adopt a new strategy. Your new strategy is to memorize your mate's gender framework so you can better understand what he or she is trying to tell you. Step 1. Learn. Gender frameworks are formed by both nature and nurture. Men and women are different biologically, and they have different experiences growing up. No wonder our views of healthy behavior and how we interact with the world are so different. We're actually supposed to be different. That's what makes a couple so powerful. For example, men focus on mastery. Women focus on connection. We need both. Men are taught to use language to relay information. Fewer words are more efficient. Women are taught to use language to create connection. More words mean more connection. We need both. Step 2. Experiment. Men, give your wife time to talk. She probably doesn't have a problem for you to solve. She's signaling her desire to connect with you. Use nonverbal communication to indicate that you're listening. How can you do that? Look into her eyes when she's talking. Smile if she seems happy. Look concerned if she seems upset. Ask her to pause if you like, to give you a minute to paraphrase and make sure you understand what she's saying. Ask her what she needs from you. Women, give your husband space to talk. He probably won't say much at first, but if you wait a minute after he stops, he just might say more. It's the only way you can learn about him, what he's thinking, how he's feeling, and why he does what he does instead of something else. Step 3. Observe. Both of these strategies may sound risky at this point, but give it a try and let me know how it goes. If you'd like to know more about your mate's gender framework, check out my free classes. I'll put the link in the description below. And remember, I'm here to help. I'll see you in the next video with quick tip number 10. Are you passionate about your mate and your marriage? Nevertheless, do you wish your husband would be more romantic? Do you often wonder what he's thinking? How does he feel? Why does he do what he does instead of what you think he should do? And the biggest question of all, can you really have the marriage you've always dreamed of? Whether you've been wondering about men for 7 days or 7 decades, this is the show for you. Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie, and I've been helping couples grow together for more than 25 years. Much of what you've learned about men probably isn't true. I'm here to serve as your guide, both in the learning as well as in the unlearning process. A Wise Woman's Guide to Men in Marriage is a personal development podcast that shares the most effective ways you can apply the findings of scientific research to your everyday life and love. Each episode is packed with instant encouragement and practical tips. You'll discover the beauty and power of your femininity as you learn how to get what you want from life without drama and manipulation, without discounting and dismissing men, and without trying to be a man. And men can learn about women here too. Because this podcast is a safe place where women are valued and men are respected, you will learn how to understand and appreciate your God-given gender differences. We'll talk about biology, socialization, behavior, emotions, communication, and connection. Because men and women are different. Always have been, always will be. And that's a very good thing. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episode. And remember, I'm here to help.